Hey there, I'm Willa Williams with the Go Getter team, and today we want to talk about 3 mistakes to avoid after you close on your new home. Now, mistake number 1 I see often is spending too much money. Most people are really excited that they're in their new home, and you should be. This is a big process, whether it's your first home or it's your 5th home, it's a new home. And it's a new place that you want to make your own and kind of establish your roots. The big thing here is most people spend too much money by doing things like running out and buying furniture, also by going ahead. Some people start doing renovations that may be over the budget or maybe too fast. So you want to make sure you're very cautious about how you use your money right after closing. I believe strongly that you want to make sure you keep a savings account, just because anything can happen. As we know, our economy is always changing, so you want to make sure you bolster your savings account and also bolster your retirement account. I would much rather you do that than you go ahead and get new furniture and go ahead and do all this different stuff to the house. So be prepared there. Number 2 is not saving enough money for future potential repairs. Particularly first-time home buyers, when you buy a new house, one of the things that you have to be really cognizant of is the fact that you are now the owner. There is no maintenance company that's going to come by, and if you were in an apartment community, you were used to that. It was included in the rent. That's one of the reasons why your rent might have been so high. You want to make sure you're saving at least, I would say, 5 to 10% over your mortgage every month for future potential repairs. Things just happen with homes. I mean, anything can happen. Everything from a leak, an inadvertent leak, to a water heater breaking down, an HVAC breaking down, a new stove breaking down. A lot of different things can happen. Now, I'm not saying those things absolutely will happen, but from time to time, over the course of the longevity of a home, those kinds of things happen. And number 3 is forgetting to file for your homestead exemption. What is that? That's a special exemption for people who own a property and also occupy it that allows them to get a discount on their property taxes. Usually, local and state governments have a special discount if you intend to own the property and occupy it. So you want to make sure you file for that. And here in the state of Georgia, you usually need to file by March 31st of the following year after your purchase. I would recommend you do it probably about 8 weeks after you do your purchase. That way you know it's done and you can just follow up with it to make sure it's registered. It won't affect the current year of which you purchased the property, but it'll affect the following year. I'm Willa Williams. If you have more questions, keep following our videos for more content. We love to help you and we love to make you smarter.